Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS Glowing Loader. Let's start to code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is Glowing Loader. Inside the body we want to add a div and save the file. Refresh. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin is 0 and padding 0, box sizing is border box, and start to style our body. Inside this, display is flex and justify content center, align items center, and height is 100 vh, width 100%, and background color is #262626ff. Save the file. Refresh. The background color is okay now. Let's start to style our div. Inside this, height is 200 pixel and width 200 pixel and border 15 pixel solid coral, and border radius is 50%, and border bottom color is transparent, and we want to add a box shadow 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 60 pixel and coral. Cursor is pointer, and we want to add the animation anim 0.5 seconds linear infinity. Save the file. The loader is visible now. Let's create our animation. Keyframes and animation name is anim. Inside this 0%. Filter is Q rotate, that is 0 degree, and transform is rotate 360 degree, and we want to add 100%. Inside this, filter Q rotate is 360 degree. Save the file. Refresh, and the loader is working now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.